Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you have problems with the camshaft position sensor, car not starting, and you're trying to find where the fuse guys for the camshaft position sensor is located, stay with us, we'll cover that today. It should work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So, specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we have right here. So, if we actually leave that cover guys, okay, right here, engine cover, you will be able to locate, okay, you will have camshaft position sensors, okay, that detect the position of the camshaft. Okay, so that's very important for the timing of your car, so it can do it can know when to do the variable timing and all that stuff. For instance, we have variable timing solenoids right here. This is the camshaft position sensor, okay, that you have right here on this side. You have one on the back side as well, two camshaft position sensors. So now where guys, okay, where is that fuse? We have a fuse box right here, one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up and open it guys. This is it right here. So if you look at it that way, okay, the layout here corresponds to what we have specifically right here guys. And looking at it this way, okay, the fuse that we actually need to locate, it's known as fuse number, okay, sensor 2 fuse guys. Okay, so if you come right here, this fuse right here says sensor 2. So that's fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So counting this way guys, it will be fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This middle 15M fuse. Now, let me show you how to remove it, and we need to explain something very important. Once you remove the fuse, don't just assume it's a good or bad fuse. Okay, the right thing will be replace it guys. You even have a spare fuse here if you need to buy replacement fuses for a good price. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. But if you guys, okay, think it's a good fuse and you put it back and your car still has problems guys, and you start putting more money, time to fix that problem guys, okay, when all we have to do, just test the fuse, and it takes less than a few seconds. Test it, find out it's good or bad, and that way you will know for sure if you need to replace it guys. We'll have a video that explains how to test it, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. It practically takes only a few seconds guys, so check it out, and when you're ready, just push it in. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.